Today's dish is one of my children's favorite dinner recipes. They can never have enough of it. It's called mac and cheese. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. This dish is insanely rich in cheese and milk. And it's the ultimate name in comfort food. The mac and cheese is ideally not just one cheese in the macaroni. You use a combination of many cheeses, but don't be afraid to make your very own version of it with whatever cheese is available with you and whatever your mood is at the moment. So let me tell you all about it as we go. It's very easy to put together as a one-pot wonder dinner dish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on Instagram at AnjalisBakeAffair. Now let's get started. The first thing that we need to make this mac and cheese is white sauce or bechamel sauce, made using some butter, flour, milk and a few seasonings and garlic. The detailed recipe of how to make this is already there on my YouTube channel and on my website, and I will be attaching the relevant links towards the end of this video as well as in the description box. The other things that you need are some olive oil and vegetables like say mushroom, corn, capsicum, onion, carrots. Now we come to the real hero of mac and cheese other than the macaroni, of course. That's cheese. So I have used here a mixture of mozzarella, cheddar and some processed cheese. Now the processed cheese that I'm using comes in tins like this, very easily available everywhere in all department stores and online. You need extra mozzarella that you will be sprinkling on the top of the cooked mac and cheese before you broil it to get the golden top. Now to begin, first boil a big pot of water, add salt to it generously and then add in the pasta. Let this pasta boil till it is cooked enough to be al dente. That means there's still a little bit of a bite left to it when you touch it. So that's our pasta boiled. We need to strain it and keep it aside while we work on the rest of the ingredients. Now to make the sauce, you need to take a thick bottomed pan, add in the butter, the flour, mix it and cook it well. Add the garlic, the milk, let them cook out till the sauce becomes thick, and then add in the seasonings. Now once the sauce is ready, you can switch off the heat, add the corn if you're using, add in the cheeses that you're using. So here goes my mozzarella and my cheddar and my processed cheese. Now mix them well till everything is nicely melted into the sauce and combined into a thick, rich sauce. There you go. Now I had sauteed capsicum and onion already in some olive oil. I'm going to add that. So the sauce is now ready. Now it's time to bring everything together. For that, take a bowl that is oven proof. In this bowl, add in the boiled pasta, which has been strained very well by now. Generously cover it with the sauce. Just give it a gentle mix to make sure that the sauce and the pasta are combined and mixed well and uniformly. Now sprinkle the mozzarella all over the top as generously or as sparingly as you want. Now it's ready to go into the oven, bake for some time and then let it broil to get a golden crispy cheesy top that you can enjoy while eating it. So here's the pasta ready, inviting and piping hot. Enjoy it with some garlic bread slices or just like that. So go ahead, give it a try, make this recipe. Until next time, bye bye and enjoy.